Sangpo, hello, namaste, and Tashtele to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And friends, today I am excited to take you guys on a driving trip all the way to Far Rockaway, which is like 2.5 hours drive from New York City. And there's a beautiful beach that I would love to show to you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy the ride, friends. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride and the beautiful view. I will be sharing some like small clips of driving on the highway, and also like small clips about the town, how Far Rockaway has a town, and the beach area. Friends, I have some work here first before I take you to the beach or like any other town.
Turn left to stay on Empire Avenue.
Look at the houses, friends. This kind of houses is what you get to see once you leave the city. So, nice houses. That's the beach, but we're not going to the beach right now. Later, I can smell the ocean from here, and I can see the sands from here, sand dunes also from here. Now I would like to show you guys the small town of Far Rockaway here. So this looks like a small town. I mean, I've not been here before. This is my first time in this part of the town, but they have coffee shops. And like a lot of office buildings is what I see here. Wow, look at that bus turn, friends. You know that I was just wondering how he's going to do it. It's like two. He made the turn. There's Mickey D's, the Golden Arch. Actually, I should eat this McDonald's once. I haven't eaten this since I got back. I mean, I don't know how many years it's been. Did I eat in India? No, I did not eat in India. So, I have to eat this. There's McDonald's right next to where I live, but it's like 5 minutes walk from where I live, but I have not eaten McDonald's. And Taco Bell. You know, actually I love Taco Bell. They have like really good, nice Mexican taco, but this is like the commercial version of it. This is not the authentic one. So, you see, friends, these vehicles are not letting me go. It will be nice if he lets me go. Okay. And in New York, you have to be an aggressive driver, otherwise you'll never get anywhere else.
Slight left onto Rockaway Freeway.
So this is known as Rockaway Freeway.
Continue on Rockaway Freeway for 2 miles.
Ouch, ouch. something about it. Okay, this is the beach. Oh, you know what? If you want to come to the beach, this is the train station that I think you have to get out on. It says, I cannot see, read it. It says beach waved something. And look at these kids. This is what I meant. Look at the kids. You know, they're crossing the street on the... Look. And they think it's so cool. This is what it gets me very nervous. Oh, yeah. Finally, here we are at the beach entrance. And ta-da, friends, just wait for... And friends, it was just a super hot day that day. Oh my gosh, like I can just imagine how hot it was. You know, I just didn't want to even come out of the car, you know, being outside in such a hot day. But anyways, friends, I wanted to show you guys the ocean, the beach of Far Rockaway. So here I am, and this is Far Rockaway Beach, friends. It's just such a calm feeling that I get when I, you know, hear the sound of the waves. And you know, when I get to smell, you know, the ocean and the ambience, you know, and I feel so lucky that I'm able to share with you guys this beautiful place. And I hope you guys are having a good time. Friends, relax and enjoy the view, the sound, and I wish you guys were here to, you know, smell the ocean. And friends, my plan was to actually take you right near the water, or at least, you know, like touch the water. But you know, I had to give up because it was extremely hot and my feet was burning like crazy because I did not have sandals or proper shoes to wear in a hot sand. So I decided to return back from there. And friends, extremely sorry. I'll try to take you near the water next time when I'm fully prepared. And and friends, I'm sure must have heard this kid cry, and this is the kid who's walking in front of me, who was really struggling to, you know, walk on the hot sand. And I felt really bad for him because and like I said, it was so hot and he was really struggling to go and sit somewhere else, and he did not have any sand shoes or proper shoes for the sand. It's a lot of fun to go to the beach, you know, if you have if you have sandals, an umbrella, sunscreen, and all the things that you need to, you know, protect yourself from the sun and the hot weather. Otherwise, you know, it's not fun at all, friends. It's like, you know, you are torturing oneself, just exposing yourself in this hot weather. It's so much fun to go, but you could easily get dehydrated. You can get lots of sunburn, and getting sunburn and feeling it next day is the worst thing. My gosh, I had a very bad experience many years ago. So friends, just make sure you have all the, you know, protective gear, like, or everything else that you need to protect yourself from the hot day, you know, and dehydrate yourself, friends.
You understand? this is pretty cool. Look at the thing, guys. They're putting up a thing, no, the date forecast and everything else. Pretty neat, huh? Oh, and then they have a bar. Pretty cool. Far Rockaway Beach. And look at this, friends. This is like the binocular that you can look at it. I don't think it's working. A smaller one for kids. The smell of the ocean, my god, you know, it's so beautiful, friends. I mean, you guys should be here to smell and hear the ocean. See, you can go all the way to pier, all the way down there. Wow, it's really, really nice. Like, you can walk on those rocks. So there are food, drinks that you can buy it here, sit here and enjoy. I mean, this walk is so huge. Look at the beach. I mean, this Far Rockaway Beach, it goes way up, friends, all the way. Wow, beautiful. Wow, nice homes facing the ocean. Far Rockaway has changed a lot. Wow. Oh, friends, actually, I wanted to mention there was a hurricane called Sandy. I think this was like 5 or 6 years ago. That time, most of the homes around here, you know, because of the hurricane, were completely destroyed actually. So I don't know if it was this part or some other part of it, but I know it could be this ones, you know, maybe they built, because these are all new. Everything was destroyed around here. Homes were like, you know, underwater. I mean, not completely underwater, at least like the first floor. So I think that's why you see these homes here right now. Oh, this is a dead end. One way? Where does this go? This is funny. They didn't say that it's just dead end. See, friends, it shows one way and there's no road there. And what I was saying was, friends, most of the homes here were completely destroyed. think that was the end of the, that was the end of the street also, and I think that was the end of the ocean view that we are going to see it.
So friends, I'm back to highway, driving back to New York City, and this is the end of the vlog for today for Far Rockaway Beach and also small town of Far Rockaway. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do like, share and comment. And friends, stay safe and share lots of love, happiness and peace to you all.
So this is lunch for today.